street, headphones low, feel the gentle beat. Leash in my hand, step by step, air feels loose around my breath. Paws keep time, tails in sway. Same old road, still feels okay. No rush signs, no reason why. Just moving while the time slips by. Step it out slow and easy. Let it roll, feeling breezy. Coffee, air, city hum. Baseline walking where we're from. Heartbeat matching every stride. Groove stays calm right by my side. Talking dogs with happy feet. Tongue out laughing at the beat. No direction set in stone. Just this loop we've always known. Yeah, we walk, yeah, we sway. Same small circle every day. Nothing loud, nothing deep. Just a promise we can keep. Let it loop, let it stay. This is how we play. The sidewalk rhythm, left, right, left. No one asking what comes next. Sky so flat, color wide. Sound just holds us as we glide. Every thought just drifts away. Like a record set to play. Not a hook, not a line. Just a groove that feels like mine. Don't explain. Bass goes round, soft and slow. Piano taps, then lets it go. Edges smooth, corners wide. Every moment takes its time. Leashes pulling just a bit. Dogs say now, I say yeah, legit. Smile hidden, pace aligned. Leave the busy world behind. Yeah, we walk, yeah, we glide. Groove is always by our side. Not a dream, not a goal. Just a loop that feels whole. Feel it under shoes. Loose and easy groove. Repeat the block once again. Same old steps, new refrain. If the song never ends, I'd be fine, my friend. Groove don't need a name. Groove don't need a flame. Just a beat that understands how to hold you where you stand. Walking, walking. Talking, talking. Every verse can fade away. Still the rhythm wants to stay. 5 minutes, 10 or more. Still that knocking on the floor. No big words, no big sound. Just the best thing I found. Put it on, let it run. Groove and walking one by one. Street, headphones low, feel the gentle beat. Leash in my hand, step by step. Nothing heavy, nothing left. Black paws dancing, beige tail sway. Same old road, but a brand new day. No rush, no sign, no reason why. Just walking while the time goes by. Step it out slow and easy. Let it roll, feeling breezy. Coffee, air, city hum. Baseline walking where we're from. Heartbeat matching every stride. Groove is calm, it doesn't hide. Talking dogs with happy feet. Tongue out laughing at the beat. No destination, that's the key. Just this loop of you and me. Yeah, we walk, yeah, we sway. Same small circle every day. Nothing loud, nothing deep. Just a promise we can keep. Ooh, let it loop, let it stay. Rhythm left, left, right, left. No one asking what's next. Sky so flat, color bright. Yellow holds us in the light. Every thought just drifts away like a record set to play. Not a hook, not a line, just a groove that feels like mine. Don't explain. Stay the same. Bass goes round, soft and slow. Piano taps, then lets it go. Nothing sharp, nothing fast. Every moment built to last. Leashes pulling just a bit. Dogs say now, I say yeah, legit. Smile hidden, pace the line. Leave the busy world behind. Yeah, we walk, yeah, we glide. Groove is always by our side. Not a dream, not a goal, just a loop that feels whole. Once again, same old steps, new refrain. If the song never ends, I'll be fine, my friend. Groove don't need a name, groove don't need a flame, just a beat that understands how to hold you where you stand. Every verse can fade away, still the rhythm wants to stay. 5 minutes, 10 or more, still that knocking on the floor. No big words, no big sound, just the best thing I found. Put it on, let it run, grooving, walking one by one.
Door swings wide, we don't even slow down. Shoes already scuffed from the hallway countdown. Laugh too loud, neighbors know our names. Phone at 2%, but the vibe still flames. We go to the party like it's our last chance. Go to the party, hearts on our sleeves, shirts too tight. We go to the party, leave all our worry outside. Kitchen crowd serve plastic cups in the air. Friend on the counter like a grown-up there. Someone spills secrets over cheap red wine. I say, tell it again, like I didn't hear it last time. We go to the party, like it's our last chance. Go to the party, hearts on our sleeves, shirts too tight. We go to the party, leave all our worry outside. We go to the party, sticky, but we still slide. Take out boxes, push to the side. If the world ends in this small room, let it be under these dollar store balloons. We go to the party. Luggage in the corner, key card on the floor. Half-drawn curtains, city humming at the door. Mini bar open, shoes already off. You spin in my sweatshirt, laughing, getting lost. We dance in the hotel, bare feet on the patterned floor. Turning this room into a ballroom, like we never had before. dripping on the chair. You twirl through the steam from the shower in the air. TV on silent, subtitles rolling by. We're louder than the movies, hands raised to the sky. Spin by the window, drop to halftime. Lights on your face, rush onto your waist. If this is the night, I want it in front.